Good morning, student. So we have discussed some basic problems of pH. So today we are going to discuss some important questions of pH, means pH numerical problem. So the first problem is calculate the pH of 0.002 N NH4OH having 2% dissociation. Means now there is a condition of dissociation. As you know, NH4OH is a weak electrolyte. Okay, so this is NH4OH, and this is a weak electrolyte, means it will dissociate like this, NH4 plus and OH minus. Okay, so initially suppose this has 1 mole, this is going to dissociate 0 0. So concentration before dissociation this is. So after dissociation, suppose it has formed alpha moles, this is alpha, so this will remain 1 minus alpha. So in our Ost world dilution law we can easily understand it. So now from here, so the concentration of OH negative will be equal to, so let it the concentration of C alpha, you can easily understand it. Suppose this is C alpha. Okay, now the concentration you have to given, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 C into 2 over 100. So it will, on solving it will give you 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar. Okay, now you can take the formula POH is equal to minus log of OH ion. So similarly, as pH is equal to minus log H ion, so POH is equal to minus log OH ion. So it will give you minus log, this will 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. So on solving it, it will approx give 4.4 POH. And you know pH plus POH is equal to 14. So in that case, pH is equal to 14 minus 4.4. That will 14 minus 4.4. That it will approx 9.6. So the answer of this problem will be 9.6. The pH will be 9.6. So as you know, pH plus POH, it will 14. Okay, ionic product of water, from where we can got this formula. So similarly, there are some more problems related to this. Suppose you have a question, pH of, suppose you have to calculate the pH of, second problem, calculate the pH of, suppose you have 10 to the power minus 4 molar H2SO4, 10 to the power 4 molar H2SO4. Now here this H2SO4, this is a strong electrolyte. As you know, this H2SO4, it will give you now 2H plus SO4 negative 2. Okay, now this is 10 to the power minus 4, so this will also 10 to the power minus 4, this will also 10 to the power minus 4. So but there is 2H plus now. Suppose this is 10 to the power minus 4, so it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now you have to keep in mind, only the formula PS is equal to what? PS is equal to minus log H plus. Now H plus is 2 times, because this is the strong electrode, 10 to the power minus 4. Don't put here 10 to the power minus 4, because this H2SO4 after dissociation or ionization, it will give 2H plus. So means the concentration of H plus will double. So in that case, pH will be equal to minus log, this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, now this is the mathematics only. pH is equal to into B minus, this is log 2 plus log 10 to the power minus 4. So on solving, it will give you minus log 2, that is 0.3010, log 10 to the power minus 4, minus will come here, minus 4 log 10, that is 4 into log 10 1. So it will pH approx, it will come 4 minus 0.3010, so it will approx give 3.76 something approx. This will be the answer. Okay, now one more thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, this is the one type of problems where you have to keep in your mind number of H plus ion. So similarly, one more thing you have to keep on your mind while you are solving pH problems, that suppose student, you have to given calculate the pH of, suppose 10 to the power minus 8 m HNO3. This is again a strong acid, completely ionized. So this HNO3, what will happen? It will give H plus NO3 minus, but listen carefully. This is the concentration 10 to the power minus 8. So when this will ionized, again there is 10 to the power minus 8. This will 10 to the power minus 8. Now there is no need to do twice because only H plus is there. But in case of this, when it will ionize, it will dissociate in water. The H plus from water will also come. You have to consider it, because H plus from water, it will give 10 to the power minus 7 from water. This is from water. But suppose if you have to given 10 to the power minus 3 molar HNO3, only in this case you will only consider 10 to the power minus 3, not from water, that will be 10 to the power minus 7, because in this case you can neglect it, very less. Okay, but when the concentration is more than 10 to the power from 10 to the power minus 5, also in 10 to the power minus 5 no need to consider H plus from water, but the 10 to the power minus 6 and from water it is 10 to the power minus 7, in this case you cannot neglect it. Okay, so that's why when the concentration is given more than 10 to the power minus 6 or 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 8, so you have to consider the H plus from water also. Now the total H plus in this, now the H plus total, you can say H plus total is what? From water it is 10 to the power minus 7 plus from this 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, now you can easily calculate pH is equal to minus log H plus. Now pH is equal to minus log H plus is from 10 to the power minus 8 plus 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, now going to solve it. pH is equal to what? Minus log, this is 10 to the power 8 is common, 1 plus 10 to the power this is 10 to the minus 8 is common, 1 plus 10, so minus log base 10, this is 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 plus, this is 11, that is minus 10 to the minus 8, that is minus 8 plus 11 log, you can solve it, 1.04 it will come. So on solving it, 8 minus 1.04 approx 6.96, so pH will come approx 6.96. It is very famous question, important. But while you are going to solve it with the direct method, 10 to the power minus 8 molar HNO3, so you will do like this, pH is equal to log H plus, so that is log 10 to the power minus 8, that is minus 8 log 10 approx 8, but it is wrong because the pH of the HNO3 acid cannot be 8. Okay, so this you have to keep in your mind when you are going to calculate the pH of acid whose concentration is 10 to the power minus 6, or you can say 10 to the power minus 7 or anything else, but more than this 10 to the power minus 5, in this case no need to consider H plus from water. बट जब कंसंट्रेशन 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 यानी 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 से कम 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6 हो जाए, तो आपको इस केस में वाटर से जो H प्लस आएगा उसको भी कंसिडर करके चलना है, बिकॉज वाटर यू नो दिस इज न्यूट्रल, तो उसका कंसंट्रेशन क्या होता है H प्लस 10 टू द पावर माइनस 7, OH कितना होता है 10 टू द पावर माइनस 7, सो यू नो H प्लस OH माइनस, दिस इज pKw 10 to the minus 14. So you have to keep in mind this only. So by this you can solve the problem related to pH, and more than this the buffer and the action of buffer, and this is now not a syllabus, not a part of your syllabus in this session, so only you have to practice the problem related to pH only. So the common ion effect, pH, and some basic about the buffer solution we will discuss on it. What is buffer and what is the types, acidic and basic buffer, how it will work. So this is the last part of this equilibrium unit, because only few lectures we will conclude it with the solubility product only. So do more problems related to pH only. pH, common ion effect, Ostwald dilution law, and the equilibrium constant. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.